God bless you Foster was so
papa
but was so festival na dey no yan
papa papa
yeah the record is very committee the record is very committee because software me am one you dey pa dia and na sem of
okay
Sompa FM and TV and market yapa. Sompa dia sasiso and many Ajuma yes mini aketi enti o sumo sumyo aguna be ma wanya aketi yapa e wa sasiso ewiasim mo basum na wansum ye dia fanyina mo sai wansum bisa usum ye market yapo eni je ti sompa dia e market yapa sompa dia sasiso e many je Sompa FM, Sompa TV, market yapo, Sompa de M.I.N.G. Teaching wafidi neto Sompa FM and TV, nebema weniji, eni aketi yapa, nebema weniji o, sabra boy mo dajini. Be natural, so no dear when ya Bemma when it na ketia panso kamu and market ya pa our fidi in it or sompa FM and TV why Yasim sompa maniji and yakatia pana unu warada Sompa de asit neimuno ema ketiapa ye no mai munsam makudi munsam yina ne kasebo bijisam ni ejasu sem yina sompa de abama sompa FM ema ketiapa sompa TV M.N.G. Sompa TV M.N.G. Oh, wisdom ni mitie Sompa FM he Sompa TV
No see a decay abogana de share yamamu nyina matching. Sompa wahanisia a cheapo enum kasa fidesuni ene eye kwesi yeda. Said ye trade yampon to trobonsu. Why juma fitian red numre na besi sabre ne wiemaya from ene eye Father's Day ene ejanumu nyina eda ena yebe die ede ama wonumu nti ejanumu nyina yeah, mama, happy Father's Day. And someone and some traffic one mugu the swimua. One muku the ninjano, and as I am penning for some way, Jayasi a Jaya de Asham war. National song, Sir and Semi, and Nam Sompa 106.5 FM Acrano. A general such ramena, ewa asanteman temua, and only a bataya mansayina etriano, a Sompa 93.1 Kumasi, Ayuko FM 100.9 Kumasa Crona. Of a one more Paris, France, Abuchimemunso, one more Socasemo, ewa dan for par radio. Takwa fonso asomu se bebia ayakurem ewa sompa 101.1 takurade fronso say yenso ye shelai eya sompa 103.3 tachiman fronso say ye nie eya sompa 106.1 afeso nyane fronso say she ye giramusa belaba eya sompa 98.9 enkuraza fronso say ye nayo ye tiemu anopa wie nwumra homache eya sompa 90.7 doma hingro fronso wanemu asomu ewa sompa 101.3 afewudi koda no babia FM stations akentra ngwamno wono sompa 106.5 FM Accra na woti enka free Facebook no so a sompa 106.5 FM Accra like page no ema yen shenso ema afoforo so nya bi nhwe na wo wi awadwenkyere na wo de atoho YouTube fo so sompa FM live www.sompaonline.com your website semfo pani oratabu atiadama wakwitire ni nyina nsam yi ede akogu wapoto kasem brofo kwai na kwakenka bi na ena no pay ensam a yadidi wontoa no eniani mu bi ni
Mampani John Dramani Mahama ede atuja se obesi public university ewo Savannah mantam no mu
Ora Vida Jamana Okra ode atu ema nyina anim se ema monya bibi ema moma
na aban enso akasa de afa one Ghana cedi fuel levy ya wode baaye no wa kan bibia fa ho
nane sa energy sector levy ya wanu de baaye GR enso de krata ba wo mo sesai
we media foundation for West Africa one kire say nia ekoso ewo National Service Authority ya ma nipa bi akasa wo ho no ensam wachire ye behunu
Ora set tekpeso akasa sesa baba bo besia won hwe adwumaku anu betumi atwia ne hoka ansan bibi besi
Israel enso ane Iran fo wa mo ntokwa no egusu gina mu den intensify ye bekom ne abom nkomo
abusia ensempi ka ye nim ho echan emobrodo dontwa ena no pa ye di unto Father's Day kwasia dai na hye ne so se eye secure sanitary pad wadom ena so yasene ema oti yenka frɛ chichini becheye oba aboso meso a wunya nya menopause nko ade obemmo entiminu mienu wo mo na memo ye bemmo saa kwese benya menopause eye secure sanitary pad eno na aboa wo ama oboso meso a akwantuo danso nanum ebimnya omo de enansia ebimnya omo de enanan no eboa wo ama wo feel secure dan kasa esanse minti ene pe kwati na ewom no abusua eboa wo ama ho aye dry ene throughout the week na wo be kwa afikyire ni nyina no eye secure sanitary pad eno ne yakafo ede amawo na endpoint homeopathic clinic nso eka ho ebi na wonum nso a womo aso yasene a womo tachire kutu ba ko pa eye na kejesi company limited wono any boss no ankasa desie ni ma papa efie ene ho a woti yenkan ena no pai apesema card hye mimidini abena badu adepa kofi menembra
obrempong nana kwaku ampoma Yama wakwaba na fe yanshan komonase na yakwashasia area free Ghana Mampani His Excellency John Dramani Mahama na kache Ghana Mampani kire se wode nani akire mu ewo Savannah ya ni nyina ya aseda ya wada wa man no thank you to ya wode ahyehye so na wode akopie mu ewo mantam no emu na okoduru hope na wone mpanifo etwahia ye na nanom atrankonya ye wonpotam wo nyina ne no behia ye no no mo bonko no wo kyese no kure nani asopa se afempinu ane aduno na abato wona ka ho bo mu eto abade ma no se womra na wonsan emega na mampani na wonhyehye oman no nyina yie na sa ne nyina ye prese woman no ebetimi ahye no na adu baby pa edo edibo hya asa ase no so no wono emedi anim no amfa yenko eno nti woda won nyina se woguso ede aseda ede magana fo nyina na afei ena akwa akoduru won so woduru hope no wo kyese ebra wo bo ntoa e wo ma yi mu no wodi kan ede to se mantama hodo ansia ya ebebo edeka eduni ho no woba pe sagana fo na adom no woba woba ni obetumi bia aboa ede university into aso school no ebi ede akọ empotam ho nyina eno nti wakodu Savannah mantam no mu ano woka ede ahye won bo se wobeboa ama university ba akọ aba bepie empotam wo se ne ebe ya wo no nso won betimi ehunu se no kura aban ne dwere won ho esan se ye kama ye funu ne ye kama dampan se empotam ho won mo ho no wo mo nya university ebeboa won empotam ho na da bia agye so mfiri ho ekọ mantam ahodo mu na akọgye ntetea ewo ntoaso sukuru mu a na akọha adwene pa titiri ni sukuru pon no eba ne sa na eha adwene pa eno nam so emaga na mampani che se NDC wono manifesto ya wonde ba ye 2024 ye nam so ma won to abade ma wo no Eda manifesto no ano no wo behwe se bohye bia wahye ewo mu titiri pa ene sukuru pon ya wa so bebie ewo mantam ahodo nsia no mu no savana nso wone beje won de
na anra ewo ensamtrefo enkomodie mu no ora Emmanuel said tekpe ekasaye na opani wono oye pani kase pa wotu aban efo na ne nkomo twetwe mu no wabra no ne ensamtrefo watwe nkomo no odi tu dwa se sede wono no waye pani pa wotu fuo niti dio obeka ne sei obi enim sese Ghana eniema mu nhyada enkoyie sa ewo mu sese ni sese no empani sa ne dollar no ekweti penkon de nanso wo ye dan ya fombone onim se masa ewo ma abehu ane sei asanso aboho na eboho ebe hadwene na nka be ya sabai be hia sika pa no de amoban hu bra anaso de abehyehyehye sectors bi mu a wonhwe sector wakwakobo besia no ade abehjem no sesa sector na wode besia de behjem no sector na ankasa betimi aye ne ho adwuma ni watua ne ka ende interest e wo ho nyina da sa sector na atua na enye sa na ukobo besia de behye sector bi mu a wo mu ankasa no wo mu ahye ho no wo mu hu de wo mu nya wo mu ngu boto ano mfa korakora nkohye mu a eno so de wo ha foforo ebesan so ababa beto oman so na wo kyensemu no ene wodi tudwa bi o sei se wohwemu a sese wo mu de bibia ba wo no frɛ no gold board sa gold board no utimi nkoka nkyerɛ eya so ya wanom ena wo mo ehwe oman sikasam so ese wo mo nkonkɔhwɛ gold board so afen so utimi mfa Bank of Ghana enkonkosi ano se wanom no mo nkɔhwɛ gold board so na se bia ubefa sa gold board fo ebisa bi adwumakuo bi ano no ya ba adwumakuo wo mo gold board akoko board sei wo betimi aboa gold board sanse uhwe se de akoko board wo no ye wo mo adwuma no a eno no sa ekɔ field na eba ene ayi enuaba hodo a wo no mo kɔ mansa adwa so kɔ toto ni nyina no eno no so eya ne koko no ana afa gold no eya asepa nti wo betumi aye adwuma bi sa na ka yenya Bank of Ghana na no sa Bank of Ghana no wo no onfanfa banks nketenkete no na wanom enisa woso na sansa woso a wanu wombedie no na sa banks nketenkete no wanom so betumi ajeje amanfo besia ibie wo mo jepe ensihu nkakra wo ho no eno so etumi abo manyi ama yenso yede aso ye ho akwankro ebra owura set tepe ene centrafo etwetwe sankomoyi sompa kase eti dugu huma so ntb.
From what they did on the former side, I'm only saying that it was a haphazard way of doing things. I remember it was Bank of Ghana. Why did the funds stop Bank of Ghana or advise Bank of Ghana? It's not a real sector institution to be buying gold. Because it could buy gold for its bullion, for its reserve, and other requirements. So we put the real sector structure in place just as you have a cocoa board. And then you now have to also, as a bank and others have to come in because, we formalize gold now, as we did, cocoa. President has spoken about cashew and others. That is the non-traditional export. And the avenue for that one is Exim Bank, which is getting the ED fund, continues to get the ED fund to give domestic loans. A lot of domestic loans were given Exim Bank. You can invite them for a discussion. But when you give them the loan, then you ring fence like Cocoa Board, and there are some of them, they have larger entities.
Enochino ana ora set tepe essay. Sa oshe boss edwumakuo no a eboa pa sa yemfa fangunsie ebra emu edene a ebema consumers wo ho akere wo no yenye yemu buofo so na wonum so ntimi emfa bi eni wondwuma eno so wo kire mu se boss wo mu ye adwuma enti na aban yi ye adwuma wo hwemu a from 2015 kura bra wonum di kan ebetena akonwa kasie so wonum bo wo mu madin bia eno so sade wo kire ne nsanka yemu e wo boss adwumakuo ni ho no sade ko ye eni
a moment ago overnight crude oil prices have gone. We had a scheme, a strategic stock scheme, which was stopped, where when crude oil prices fell, we bought crude for boss to put in his tank. That's how we stopped to keeps. And then when the price keeps going up, you release. Because that's what boss was established to do. You release. So if you stopped at 40, right, when the price was low, and you put some oil in their tanks, as the price creeps above 40, 45, 50, it's tolerable. Remember that crude oil prices fell sharply when we were enough. The consumer does not feel. Once it begins to rise 65, 70, it has an impact on your domestic price. What is wrong in saying that, therefore, let me work with boss, to put some strategic stock when it is 40, in order that we'll keep the strategic stock, and when it starts hitting 50, 55, we'll release it.
eno ene adwuma boss adwumako no eye edeboa yen said ye be ya yenso ye Yusuf Fango ene wo mo a wo mo di hudwa no wo mo so ho be hare wo mo opani a wo no presidential advisor Oraset Tepe ena wone sentrofo etwetwe sankomo yi
na ye to ansem ne so e wa aban mu a na enum ho e na aban de ba ye se dum so ya memene wo man no san se ECG woni sikasem e wo fom pa e ka enso mene wo ntiama soma so mo somo man no sompa no woni nya e na ye nya so akatua pa eno nti se ebetimi aboa ma ECG fo asomo man no sompa droba fo nyina titiri no obi a okita hyen ene moto afidie tetafo no nyina no ukoto petrol na watua wan Ghana cedi e de ama aban na aban so de ahwe e de aboa ma dum so yetimi e de atuase kura e ba ye nipa bebre e kasa fa ho ma GPLT for krampo mbibi won ye so mba ye ho demonstration man no krampo na watwe mu wan sa de ba ye sa afi de won atiase won tire aban achi ene ne agrata efiri aban mu e de aba ya efiri Ministry of Energy and Green Transition aso ye nipa wadan kitawdie ano e de ma won ye lawyer Richmond Roxon wo de atoje atiase aban atwen sa wan Ghana cedi no a wo de ba no watwe no nyina de asensen nya de aban e ba bagi sabre na ebre a aban besan de aba no de aban kura wonim ayese Yesu maye no Yesu na kura nim da kura wo de beba wo kire se aban adwene ho din ene nipa bebre akasa etietie Ghana fo e wono adwen kire e won sansem yi nyina ho e na wo de akwa adwen kire mu e na afi wo de akwa adwen dwene mu akoda sumye paso adwene ho ahunu se sabre wo betimi atwe asensen indefinitely wonim da foforo ya wo besan de aba na emom se ho kohia se ho koba se wo besan e de aba wo besan de aba na emom wo beyan kire e de ama oman no amoman no nso atiase ne enti a e wo se wo de sa wan Ghana cedi no eba empo se bia na oman ne kura nso be wa adwen bi se ne ye mpagya mu sansa woni atiase a ne nyina begina oman ne so afei sa aban so kwada adwene ho no ehunu se e bia wan cedi no mpo no e do so do enu nti efa nko 50 pesos a eno so wo de ho nchiremu nyina e de ebeba
na wasasem kronemo no na Ghana Revenue Authority GRA wanom so de krata aba montene a wanom so akire mu se roll out ya eno no tariff interpretation order number 2025/004 no wamo so atwe asensan ekakra ni nyina efa sa energy sector levies amendment ya empanimfo edeba ye nti wanom kiremu a wamo se energy sector levies no at 2025 at 1141 no aye Ghana Tourism Ministry no ensa ehye wanom ase no wanom atwentwa so ekakra na wanom so omunya krata efri ahye ya wanom ene wo mo hwe oman yi sikasem so esay wanom entwensensan ekakra ni nyina mu no na efa energy eye sector no ho said ye be ya eno so betumi abo na edi mu na wanom nwuma wo mo di ne ho nti enkasa wan cedi bia wanom de baba beto so no GRA adwumako no wamo enso spend no ekakra na wanom kire mu se wanom de ba montene se enka June bosome ne da na keto so be se nkron ena nkaja wanom hyase ewo mu a na ne GPA tufuei eye deda asem ya ye betie atwea ene obi anko obi amba ye nyina ye te aye tetel ene wamo sanso atwi mu kakra ekọ June bosome ne da etoso edunsia enti nkanyankopon ya adom akina ana nka hyase na so no sese ne de GRA adwumako ne se krata efiri ahye ya wo hwe sikasam so eba ye say wo mo so suspend wo mo interpretation no ekakrenti na opani kase a wo ya GRA Commissioner General Owura Anthony Akwasi Sapon wono so ena ne nsamtwerefo enra etwetwe sankomo ya wo kire nsam yi nyina ekire yen a sompa kase ya dane akire e de asomo
yemfiri GRA ene wan Ghana cedi nkomonum na afia ne nkyeremu ewo National Service Authority wono akache ene yakwa sabre yai na enanu yai na otwetwa mu yi ena Attorney General edi nipa makomako edumieru bi din ba montene kire se sa nipa yi womo akwaso loss to the financial state kire se financial loss to the state pa onya bo manika woefully yeah nam so ama kire se 548 million Ghana cedis payroll fraud ena wonde akwaso o man no ena nam so ma bobo nipa bebre din ema kane nipa no oda no ofiri ho krampo koye sports minister kakra ononya fo Mustafa Yusuf krampo din ba mu bia ma kire se wono we be defend ne ho san say adwuma okodi ye e National Service Authority ho no we di adwuma krogen e no de bo awo man no eno na nam so amanura pani kwancherefo a oda Media Foundation for West Africa ano Yewura Sulemana Brahima we de atojo kire se Adia no so say say ya yehu no yo na Attorney General and I know press conference you be ya obobo nipa bi din no na ebi wom pa ebi ane wom ne say etomri bi na regional directors na kasa krampo no one complain say won no be pon adwuma be wi a obekofi obeba no won nanka emra no se ne o ma hye so mo ne ma de afa won mo na ese nkoma final approval ema nipa bi a ye tua omka won ma edi omdi hye mu no ye ni nyina na nso wo be ko ba ne ya pre approval akra to order ya ye chese wo hunu ba bi a system no wo bi afa kire de aba eno nti ye ka pa de a na efira kire ho pa na ede ebaye.
And as the AG pointed out yesterday, that year alone almost 350 million cedis was lost to ghost names. And we had regional directors who were complaining during management meetings, saying that, DG, I realized that in my region, every month before I authorize approvals, when I go onto the dashboard, I realize that thousands of people have already been pre-approved as service persons in my region. But per the mechanism we are operating, as the regional director, I'm the one who is supposed to give the final authorization after going through the validation to establish that this number of persons are within my region and are rendering national service. But before I come, pre-approvals have already been given. So I don't know what is happening. And in that meeting, what we are told is we will look into it. And nothing happens. It continued all the way until, these discoveries were made. And then they started to fidget with the system here and there. But by then, the damage had been caused, evidence had been picked, and so on.
We Brahima Suleiman and we were announced I was say there were quite twetwe na so kra ne say we nyina Attorney General edisa expose we nyina ba ya won krampo the fourth estate won so kra enenam won so asade we nyina e ba montene so no system no a eda ho a amanfo ede tusuam pass one dey abokro no eno na aban da ne ye new leaders yaba executives yaba we nyina yi eno an we use.
What for me is quite strange is that if I'm not mistaken, the National Service Authority is still using the same metric app that allowed for this scandal to happen. And it's quite strange, It's really strange that the National Service Authority under a new leadership would decide that it is the same metric app that was used for this scandalous exercise, used for this vendor system. And for the benefit of our listeners, the vendor system was basically that, let's get some people to be suppliers of appliances to national service persons. So companies can come and register. So the national service persons can go for items on high purchase. And that was the scheme that was being used.
That was the scheme that has been used. And when Munsugusu used to kakra krasa, and say, Munsu Yebewe, near Baba Boche, Namonso, Madibonia, Yadeba Finance, a moody of my dream. We a Media Foundation for West Africa, Penipa, Utiano, Suleimana, Brahima.
Abusiana na KJC company limited de se yan kanchira se ekoba sempremo eno no bema wonsin shomu ansa no ham se waso da yesa opese usi dan ya no wako wankache wanom na edum cement iron rod open na doa nsate akwa baako ekosi infinity eye na KJC company limited enchese dan papa ye de bon chance dan so a ema edan no etiapo ese wotepa eye na KJC company limited abusuya wusa wanom watwa nkoso ba bia bekwa akoto adanse eniema no cement bi wa wanom a Udi si dana frofro na frofro se ni foundation papa bia nana KJC ene ya kan fodi ama wo enkran ni kumase ya tonkorabata no apeten 0204 355 040 0204 355 040 ni ajo so no baba mo boso meso nko ana nyankopo otua aka abamo eye secure sanitary pad eno na wasa odemo me eno na memo enti wo mo na memo ya mubom enti na dia ukwadwa so a no watobi ena ya Father's Day yi ye ya papa no ye mudedi mu ye bue mu ye kinkimu ate monto secure sanitary pad mamma no eno ene de ye pen na nsan esansa ye papa ye ma ye feel secured minti ni pe okwate na ewo mu no ena we so enhihye bebre mansema enwu ho ye secure sanitary pad one mo wakumase mu penido shop mu mama excellent cosmetics one friend no 0243 862 158 0243 862 158 na mama excellent cosmetics and so enyo so na opani kese ba kwa no so kan ho endpoint homeopathic clinic ya di infidie eni nura ya papa ena sayade na osi infection no adokoro sese somro adokoro kraman pacho ye betu ni se hum e de ama infertility adamu so ade bia mo kwa ni abo mo mutiri so sa na mo kwa na mo kwa endpoint ne mo na mo so munya ba ni bi ento mo na so na yade bia ye tu ni se hum ewo ehonom Kumase Kronum Abuahia Ubehuyen and can I have a shell signboard Spintas Quine show and Abehuyen 0244 867 068 and off a 0274 234 321 na endpoint homeopathic clinic and you so what madam enti ye shaya hutu ni abasisia.
Kweku, minim sawa yeshe. Me kraman nane. Now so ebony show one embasso.
Malihon Sepeno. Ebony condoms comes in different flavors and available in all pharmacies, chemical shops, over-the-counter shops, and pubs. For bulk purchases, contact 055-230-0075. Ebony condoms, Ghana's most pleasurable condoms. Make it worth it.
We got peppermint, strawberry, vanilla, chocolate. We got peppermint, strawberry, vanilla, chocolate.
Et dans les vieux mis à condom. Les condoms mouillés, then it's not on. But don't got as a condom.
Munde dinam se mena foreign call. Hello papa, what about to be a new? Se me feel London, eko US. Na no crowd who crowd from me mama nia. Na papa mo ho to say. Awurade aduma haboko. Na ko jejesi, eko ba sempene mo. De woton adansi ho niam no nso. Wo hye ho de. Oh, wo hye ho. Eko ba, mesi wo bo aduma kra sre kane no a. Na wodro US won so manfo bo ndin sa na. Eh papa US hakura de. Na ko jejesi company limited agiba bia. Wo Holland, Germany, France, Italy, London, Canada. Eba adensi hu niam dia. Obia se na ko jejesi company limited. Na matese wo bie depo kesie bi e wo kasoa. E ho na wo bia koto adensi hu niam. Na eye no kura papa. Oh, no kura pa. A police station in Chanhua. Eh, akwo ba sempre mo no. Onye mereda. She, we kura no miensam and wo bia nfoforo yawo. Ba ko abu akwase paase kumase. E ba ko so pokura se nkran ha. Obia se na kodwogesi eye bemaba e wo dansi mu. Woton cement, iron rods, banding wires, and adua plywood and just said about dance wo. Te se bibia e de hye e dansi ase de ko wie. Depo no nyina nso eye tufo bo. Wo du kuka mu a, wo kodwa free. Akra wuyi kaswa depo ene pokrasi de no kra to nchen a wosa wo bu akoteman Tantra Hill Iron City amanfrom wosa bie depo kese so e wo Koshiman Kumasi sepase depo no kra da nchen a ebisu magazine road head office no wo bie depo kese so e wo da de ntam edwesu Akra road femeso opposite Alaji Celia ampaba meboshen Tanoso Breman and a Manfrum. Numbers of man for the fray 0244 313 752 and 0244 41 93 93. Nana Kujesi Company Limited. Hey, a Kuabas in Primo. Hey, Medo, Edrano Pa, which me two was a chichusi. Ah, do. Now, so Miss Media made the Yas toothpaste and then the brush and the Chimissima Minyahumaka. Same thing I bokoi. Na media me all-time favorite. Yas herbal toothpaste and then the brush. Abua me amase say menum so nyunu anasa de ehia. Me sem fimfem me biem. Na won hwasa me say ayo fita sesrecha homa. Na et brightens. Yas whitening toothpaste and then the brush. And then me do chimisi. Enti na wo see fe. Na Yas total care gel toothpaste and then the brush ni de. Ebo wo se ho ban. Demu ni nyina. Ema wonum ye sham. Oh yes. Enu kretrodo. Yas herbal, Yas whitening, any Yas total care gel toothpaste, and then the brush. Abusian chamfa. Sawo pedudu 2 e won kran ha. For Leicester Ghana Limited and was 050-161-9588. Leicester Ghana Limited and the Yas toothpaste mo ahodo and then the brush abedwa so abeboye.
yi Emma Aketuapa
ampa channel so see them live our Facebook no so SOMPA 106.5 FM akrashe ho nefa wo happy Father's Day some Emma wejanom na yanken kind kama emfa ma na wansam fufuro mu na pay no upiemu ewo kumase a SDA asafo no no ewo bantama enu a won mu di dwumason bi na opani kase a wo no emma ni nyina woda wa no ewo bantama SDA church Mrs. Vida Jamana Okra wakasa atu empanimfo a mo wo mma nyankopon adom a mo a mutimi wu bie mu a mo hwa amanfo ma ni nyina no wo sei mo ma mani nko mofra ne ho na mo hunu masede ewo mofra ne so sense mofra no ene yendache wo se parent bi hon ma na so wofo bi ho no mo a wano ba bia ne ba beda kora no emfa ne ho se ne ba so de ye si wo ko hene si wo fa hene emfa ne ho wo se sa ne ma ni nyina ka ho ena nei ubehu mlantia no na wo mu nika eda wo mu nantini wo bi ho no mo eda no kotodwe wo hu hwe wa haisa tiam yi ene 5 yi ene de ka ho wotimi high bi na wo high entu am ko high sa na om hu yen om hu ye low owura ayire Vida Jamana wane SOMPA ekase ya mane boni Kwame Redu etwetwe sankomo yi a wo kirekire mu fine ekire yen e ma sede ne nsam kan ye ekomotwetwe no ekoye no SOMPA kase entu asosei emfama wo
nuanom Emma titiri tronisi nyame nwuno ye ma bibi owo botaye nti a wode ye ayeya bataye nso esese yesu enya botaye ma ye ma biase ni nniama nyina betwem ta nniama bone a ye ni gusuo nyina no tramo wi ani de ye hu ni se eye ma ye no ni nyina wie ye owu ni nyina wie ye eye seye na ebumbo tie de tu ye ma no foa sa nniama edon be ko wo nyina no obetwe won afiri ho because obi edi ensanoma tia ene ye kwa ontimi kobi obi enwomanimfo pa wagidi enso bia ensano ono anakọ na wantimi antwe no wamfiri onti ama ene etitiri hia ontimi enkom ofise ode no ma enema enye enti ya bata fue no esesi etu ye manefo enne na ekire won se ne manyina betwem de ntwem eye awrade asem enti ema ye ma no emfa nyame ase e wa brabo awie enkunimtie
Yema ene yendache enti aya yema yeni enkwa yema ho owurayire Vida Jamana Okra upiemo ewo SDA asafo no no ewo kumase bantama asante emantamu bantama wanom emani nyina wone tua wa no ena wone mpanimfo atwetwe nkomo yi a Kwame Redu yamani boni eto nsemi esom yen
na yentwa bosompo na fe yenkwa amanone ye kwa fe ye ne yamani bofo ye wo Israel ene Iran potam ho no ye ne won abonkomo bi ewo eho wo kire se amane ba wode son yen ewo potam ho ene se Israel Defense Force no won se won ehu se Iran fo no won asoma missiles bebre bi ba se oha ede ba won so na won no de won mo atamukuchu nia won ka ede a kire Israel fo nyina ne se odi esa wa aso ada mukra no a twen ansa ene kwasie na bepe ba bi papate se na ebe ye betimi aboa o na missiles ya Iran for asoma ede ba Israel no ebi anka ho na wo mo kire se wo mo nsugusu a wo mo bo mo moden pa ato topa ye kodi awo ni bi ede akọ Israel Iran ho na ba bi a won su military for no wo no wan akwahye wan nyina sesan se mpani se papa anya hwe abone eno so nya hwe na yama ne bofo a woto ye nkra ede afri Israel ene Iran entokwa no mu no se no de som yen ewo ho.
This is the scene here in Rishon LeZion, a city just south of Tel Aviv that was hit by an Iranian missile in those attacks overnight. And this was likely the point of impact. And there's a lot of destruction here. All these houses have been completely destroyed, which gives you an idea of the power of the attack that happened here. And all morning, families have been coming here to try to rescue some objects, retrieve some items from the rubble. And there's a lot of destruction all around with these cars, also the houses here completely damaged. Again, a very powerful attack that happened here, and it was a very long night of attacks with air raid sirens sounding across the country. I was in Jerusalem and there were loud explosions just before dawn with air defense systems trying to intercept those missiles that had been fired by Iran.
Enti we amanebono sane yamaneboni a wo boan pa ewo Iran ani Israel ewo montokwa no mu no o kire se no kure Tuoro de wan toto we kura de ko de ekohyi aman ni bi to paye no we tiri mamnu ato na we tiri mamnu ato no mo toma ne wo ho saa nam so mamanfo eyem hyehye wan pa ya no so ede saa mane boy ede free empatam ho ede abre yan we abusua we so na ye gina na anopai kase no yede ne nyina ede asi nansam a yede besom wo no na poso bi kakra ya yede ma wo ne se mampani John Dramani Mahama se Wakwa Kosi University kase pa e wo Savannah mantam no mu
owura se tekweso abamane se omanpanini ebebo abesia kwahye asoye bi mu a wo hwahye ya wode kwahye mu a wo mankasa betua wo ho eka aban so
e kire se one Ghana cedi fuel levy ya wode ba no watwe asensen ekosi brekora ono aban no wonim so obesan de aba bio
SDA asafo no no ewa bantama ema ni nyina de otua wa no maame eye Vida Jamna Okra wase awofo mo mamani nkwamoma ho kwame redu ena de sanse mi som yen
Israel ene Iran fo ntokwa no so gusu gina mu denden amene wo ka sei eno so amanebo efiri ho ba kyese ne awonde tom wo ho no enya asem keto akra wei adawroma ene nsema hodo bi ana ka ho ena
Nana KJC Company Limited eso yasene eme yabebe edema wo adansie niema papa efie cement iron rod pepra wuso ahodo bibi edisi dan eme dan ye eye roofing sheet no ubenya ni nyina bi kuma senkan ye ho 0204 355 040 ni anyo so secure sanitary pad so ba bo so me so abemmo etini happy Father's Day fo nyina wo ye ja na wo ye Japan ko ade akodwamu a eye secure sanitary pad no wo se woto ede ekoma wo ma no girenom na babia ubenya babia ton anuoma bia pad bia kwa no apesecure ne bi kumasefo Mama Excellent Cosmetics 0243 862 158 Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic was say yade bay enaje waboso kronom aboahia kumase ye hobra ne ntu ne se hum enkra hasha signboard spinters kwan so be hu yan 0244 867 068 and afa 0274 234 321 na one manyo so na shade so say no sia bremu aya kasia yetu din na KJC Company Limited kasia no etwa ne ho efri sompa 106.5 FM Accra so a eje ne ho sachira me na wasante mantamu eno no eye sompa 93.1 Kumase ayiko FM 100.9 Kumase Adamfo pa radio Paris France abrochemem wonu so mu etopeten afei takwafo so esomu everywhere you go e was sompa 101.1 takra den so esomu asompa 103.3 tachimafo so etopeten ye e was sompa 106.1 sunyanefo so egifa babia e sompa 98.9 enkrazanfo so mane shetai papa nyasam ketwa e sompa 90.7 domafo se hwe ye ne ma ne ko babia e sompa 101.3 udi koda no so yetwagu ho babia FM stations apepian koba no ewo no wote yenka Facebook no so wote yenka e sompa 106.5 FM Accra one messages any
na ansane e bako messages ne so no abake o papa de sen
me papa we free mu kakra no de owura kwaku ade
na anye bia se ajabi wu ajabi ti ase
sisi ade de oti ase no de odi papa de o me find da papa
anti bonidin na ma no edapa
enti no ene me ma me ankasa me papa say da baba me ma happy Father's Day efiti say me papa jaye mu na wakura yen kakra abesi sagbe nyankopon hraw se uye japa ye do me ni nuane mu nyina ye ma happy Father's Day na afin so me ma me husband
very good
me ankasa mi chocho mi kuru dofo adabi you could have for Steven Coffee. Me ma happy Father's Day. Me ne o mani nyina from Otnell, Adjoa and Osa. Nyina ye ma happy Father's Day shonko ye do nyankopon enshaw na onto nkwanem ye ye ma nyina na nyankopon enshaw. Afa mi ankasa mi see you. Minumi ni na see you. Dr. Blessed Foster, ye man no happy Father's Day. Said ye wo bo adwuma e ma ye no. E wiase nyina etenenka. Enti no doctor, ye ma happy Father's Day. Nyankopon hraw wa ye mu ye wakoma pa a wodi bie nnwuma e ma Ghana ma ene mema ye so ye nya bi nye. Nyankopon hraw pa na MD nso. Mr. Senyo do ono so ye man happy Father's Day nyakopon hraw se onso oye Japan
na Sompa FM Terra One Media. Meme woman na.
Every ha. Sansi your brother my shall free.
Free editor.
Editor so ye die mo
Prince Atabuatin.
Rap Prince Atabuatin.
Ye mano ono so oye ja papa
nya sam ketwa
very good nti ye mano
we mo bo ye ja pai di ba wo bo happy Father's Day
no ma yinim so mo ye ja pom ye responsible and a potential ones so yinim so be ye responsible
ane eno mo sa na systematic come
on backbenchers nti yera Prince Atabuatin na fe eye Kobla Abuchi Professor Abuchi and Mr. Bright na
happy Father's Day
Ejapia Apamdada
why
Siateka mine
what's this say ani ba ko ne
Alaji Abobre Siateka aka Secure Mine ono so yemano happy
secure ni bio
and my very own self
Anne. Once a month who be now so you be my
pencil. Mr. Major into Obrempong, Miami, and Mr. Arthur Security.
And Papa back on brother Ernest.
After you call MCR so school fees were ho, David were ho, Ransford were ho, Systematic were ho, and Godfred, and some other guys are also. Rich womunyina wo ho Augustine womunyina ye womunyina happy Father's Day omodom your potential fathers but school fees there or your father or your ja or responsible David ye ja or responsible if you ha no o ye be ma na you responsible
o ye ja na when you responsible ye permit o
there see you crown fa responsible people no and Prince Mo electricians waha and carpenter Jerry Patrick woman you responsible fathers in fact we are so proud of you okota chima nkranza doma ene sunya ejano mo emema mo wo sompa ne Terra One Media nyina
takwa doma
ena kumase Adam for Radio Paris. Very good. Now, systematic press.
Yaba o messages in national. Yama managers. No, Kenny Nikuno. Anja kwasi ya gwaje. Ti yama Nikuno. Happy Father's Day. So ano so ye japa.
Very good.
Wati mi akra na yire ya men na yire so kra yen. Enti no owura abwaje. Yama happy Father's Day. Nyankopon hyiraw na onye okese we nso firi sompa adwuma yefo nyina na we gire ene wo ma
wono so ye papa
enti no ye ma happy Father's Day Nyankopon hyiraw pa afa ye
Mr. Donfe ewo kumase ye ma no happy Father's Day Nyankopon nom na onhyira ne pa sanso ena we so say friend no network 1 or say happy Father's Day to you say me baba akono no your friend Eric okay EPM Media College me nkwara na me kire wan de no batch 26 one also say o my nyina happy Father's Day systematic press and then we fear hey one also nisi nimpon yeah one also what ne ba asasi so was say o ma no happy Father's Day your friend Mr. Edison Ba Abraham Mr. Edison Ba Abraham or Kentampo Apiska.
Wawa Branty pa.
Oh yes.
It is systematic press, Papa. Yeah, but happy Father's Day. Wawa Branty. What a thing and so. Systematic dear me and Casamini who agro.
Yes.
Sanse or Yakwada Ubuade.
Now Facebook also Derek Ayeti. Or not Derek Ayeti or say good morning. Yeah, my good morning. Pa Starboy, I say watching you live and clear. I have from Mim Airport. Sompa FM News. No size. Happy Father's Day to all Ghanaians, especially my lovely father. No joke. Ne papa say friend no joke. No so no. Evans Enin Obuasi Tutuka or say happy Father's Day to all fathers of Obuasi local prisons, especially to 2IC Chief Superintendent Bright Dicard Nelson was say Omano happy Father's Day. Nana Ekwamo Aboaten Edifree Ablekuma Central say happy Father's Day to Honorable Eugene Boachi Entry, former Deputy Minister for Works and Housing and former MP for Subin constituency. He's the next General Secretary for the NPP. Was say Omano happy Father's Day. Sanso Enafi Mensomede happy Father's Day. Edema Mese Alex Kessie, our assignment. Happy Father's Day. And afi Nana Atifa, my godfather. And Openi Kwajo Ifa da Costa. Nana Atifa Kabum Hine ewo Kukufu traditional area. And Nana Openi Kwajo Ifa da Costa. Ononso ewo Nkoko. And afi Ejanumu nyina. And Masi Nimpong. Mr. Ayu. Kawano Pado, Finfin Mantamu.
Edini Yamido, Kawano Pado, Kawano Passam, the dog, Kawano Tum. And so, Yama Sompa, you're listening to Mema
5 p.m. Wakotia, only 2 p.m. Munina mamo happy
Bia wa just some patumwa with tie some bia we bema we responsible father bia no ye ma happy Father's Day nyankopon hira mo mate samaji atum
ya no mo ade kase ebere mo no aye me obrempon na kwaku ampoma meni aba
abena badu adepa kofi ya dase akra ye ma mo happy Father's Day.
It's a rapid. It's a